welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's near FESTA 2020 and 22, so I just want to make many appreciation spread for BTS. I hope you guys will love this video and thank you so much for being here. First, I will tear this paper. I got this wrap paper when I went to the supermarket and they wrapped my stuff, so I just want to reuse this. Today's topic is 7 things about BTS that I like. I made all of these stickers by Canva website. I really love this website because I can do everything. I also use some washi tapes from jungkook. I found this photo from Facebook and I was so impressed. From BTS. I'm so in love with this photo from BTS in the suit. It looks so cute. I love BTS album, music videos, songs, outfits, funny moment, BT21, and BTS in the suit. To the next page is my favorite songs of BTS. This is my stickers box. And now I will choose some stickers for this spread. Listen to Crystal Snow, Love Myself, Dynamite, Mikrokosmos, Film Out, and 0 o'clock every day. So how about you guys? What do you like? Please share with me in the comment section below. And yes, we are done for today's thread. Let's look at the results. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.